Here we go, and welcome to the Idea of Technology. My name is Michael, and today it's all about the DJI Mavic Air. And I just want to do a little unboxing to show you what's inside the box, what you can expect when you buy this drone. It's located between the Spark and the Mavic Pro, and maybe this will be the drone for you. Let's get started. At the moment I'm on the Microsoft Inspire in Las Vegas, and they have some kind of Microsoft store where you can buy some of the Microsoft hardware, and you also got they also got some DJI Mavic Airs laying around for a really decent price point, and also with some discount. And I got this drone was still on my wish list for a while, probably until it came out, and I also just want to buy it, and I got the chance here in Las Vegas and I took it. So now we're here in my hotel room, and I just wanted to make a little unboxing as fast as possible so I just can get into the drone and also do a review about the drone. So if you haven't subscribed yet to the channel, just click down there to subscribe and enable the notifications so you will also get the review to this drone. But I think let's get started. I got this little, I got my little first aid scissor over here, and this is just to mention the white version and just the standard version, you can say. You will also get the chance to buy the Fly and More combo. I just post both affiliate links down below, so if you just want to support my channel, just go for the links down below in the video description. And the big difference in between the standard version I have here and the Fly More combo is you get additional propellers, 2 more batteries, which is just pretty good. You just should consider also the Fly More combo for these 2 batteries, or just buy a second battery when you just go for the standard version, because you really need the juice for more flight time. And you just get more handy bag. But I also just want to show you what's inside this box. And what I like most about this drone is it's nearly as small as the DJI Spark, and but quite as powerful as the DJI Mavic Pro. And I like the sweet spot in between with some really cool features from both drones, and for a price point where you just couldn't resist. So just figure it out for yourself if this is the right drone for you. But what's inside? First we just need to please review the quick start guide to prepare for first flight. Okay, we should read the quick start guide. And first things mentioned, you get some kind of... Really? That's it? I'm a little bit impressed how tiny this is. You get this hard-shelled bag with you. Pretty cool, I must admit. Just a little tag, okay. Let's see what's also in the box. Put it like this. I think that's it. That's everything in the box. Just put it out. You get the remote. You just get what you get here. Maybe the that's the power brick with 2 USB Type A ports. That's pretty cool. Okay, they got some kind of proprietary connector for the battery, I think so. That's okay, I guess. But you also can use the power brick for charging other devices. What I also like about it, I just see it the first time, you get a charging cable. It's some kind of flat profile cable with USB Type A 3.0 to USB Type C. It's pretty cool, so you probably can connect to the drone via USB Type C. For a drone in 2018, I think that's must have. connect this micro USB to micro USB, and micro. Is this micro USB? No. Only this side is micro USB. The other is some kind of like micro USB. And you get here USB Type C. Okay, I hope there's also one for lightning. You get 50 watts. It's a 50 watts power supply. So I think you will be probably go for charging the battery or the batteries of the Mavic Air, and also can charge whatever is plugged into the two USB Type A ports. That's pretty cool. These are the bumpers. Can you say it like this? Maybe. These are the little guys you can pull over your propeller so you won't smash your Mavic on the first flight, or at least the propellers. Okay, that's cool, but cheap plastic, but it's okay, they're doing their work. You also get four flexible propellers. It's really my very first time unboxing a drone. The remote feels kind of cool. I'm impressed. I'm pretty impressed. It feels really good. Cool. Wow. I know what it is. These must be the controllers, whatever. I think so. These little nibbles here. Cool. Okay, look. Just got this sleeve over here and the logo. That's a pretty cool size. Imagine putting this just in your backpack and just go for it. You also just can go for a run and just get it with you, and running on a hill and put this out and do some pretty cool shots. Nothing compared to huge and heavy Phantom Pro 4, or even the Mavic Pro is bigger. Okay, base aircraft in the direction show. Okay, so I always need to place this little guy over here. I got a sticker in here for people who don't know how to put a drone in there. That's some cushion overall, so I think you just can throw it into your bag and that's fine. For replacement propellers, that's cool. And here's the drone. Nearly 400 grams, I think. It's wow. Feels cool. I'm not just unfold it yet or go even further because I don't want. I haven't done yet, and I also need to read some of the quick manuals. I think the arms forwards, the one, this is the one here, and also the two front arms forwards. So I think it's this. Okay, so this, hello, this, got it, and also this in front. Okay, so definitely these and this. Okay, I got it. Cool, remember. And now one for the landing gears before flight. This, these are landing gears. Gears here. Okay. And what's else? We will plan for covering on the road. So it's a cool stickers down. So this is good. Here. Okay. That's pretty tiny little bit. Okay, I'm sure that. So you get one. So it's looking something like this. Should be something like that. You get something like this, and it doesn't feel like a toy. I think that's important. You don't get the feeling that you bought a toy, and more like a decent drone. And I think that's what it's supposed to be. Before first use fully charged battery to activate it. Pull the battery sliders to remove the battery from the aircraft. Okay. Nearly half of the weight of the drone is just due to this battery. Additional batteries are pretty expensive, so just also can post a link down below if you want, and just think about if it's better to go for the Fly and More combo, where you have in total 3 batteries, and not like just this one. You just get 21 minutes of flight time in this drone or with this battery. But you also get another original DJI intelligent flight batteries, they're called, on Amazon. So consider buying at least a second battery. It's just pretty tiny, but you get 4K at 30 FPS, and that's a big game changer for me. I also just wanted, when I go for a drone, I want to have at least 4K, and 30 FPS. It's just, I nearly shoot everything in 30 FPS, but I just can lower the resolution and get even more, also just slow motion and full HD. This was the complete unboxing experience of the DJI Mavic Air, so thank you for watching this video. If you disliked this video, you know what to do, but if you liked it, just hit like, get subscribed, and enable the notifications with the bell icon, and see you soon.